Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the video duration of a video within Canva. So as you can see, I have now opened a video within Canva and I want to change the duration of this video. I want to speed it up or slow it down. So what you need to do is you need to tap on this video. So select the video, tap on it, and then you see a lot of things pop up. You can make a lot of changes. So you see edit video, you see a crop icon with 13.3 seconds, and you see playback. So you need to tap on playback. As you can see, the video speed right now is 1 second, so you can change it. And now the video speed is 2, so it's 2 times as fast as it was in the beginning. So we knew that it first was 13.3 seconds, and now it's 6.6. So we also can make it slower, like this, and now it's as double as it was before. So let's make it one time, just normal. So as you can see, you also can split the page, so by pressing on S, or just pressing or just clicking your right mouse and tap on split page. So you can, for example, select this video and make this faster. So right now it looks like this. So this video is at normal speed and this video is at 2 times speed, and we can make this video, we can slow down this video, tap on it, playback, and make it slower. Now for example this one, and now let's take a look. So this is going faster and this is going very, very slow. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.